Welcome back to the Colorado Restaurant Bar Show 2026. My name's Josh. I'm with Intermountain Food Equipment. I'm here with Michael, one of our brands. He's with Henkelman, Interpack, and GreenVAC.
So basically we're tying in on the kitchen of the future, the whole world. Cook, chill, package. It's about eliminating waste in your kitchen, bulk prep, portion control. Let's make a little more money instead of throwing all that expensive product. Talking about expensive, have you noticed that the prices have gone up a bit? So the investment on the Interpack, the Hankelman, is a no-brainer. Cook chill package is the future. It's done around the world, and it'll save you a lot of money. Any type of food, we have multiple trays, different sizes, different depths. We have bowls, can go up to 4 inches deep. Super easy, fully automated system. Our films are within a cardboard box, so safe, secure, tamper-proof. You got your sneeze guard built in, right? And I have clients that have multiple of these. So if it has about 1.5 ounces of weight, all you need to do is drop it in and it'll be sealed in seconds. If I have multiple of these that I'm working with huge volumes, very easy to do. It pops straight back up. It's ready for you. A little bit of extra plastic. And voila, I got shelf life of an extra week. The ability to bulk prep, the ability to eliminate the daily redundant prep, knock this out in a week. You're saving tons of labor and time, and you always have product in-house and ready to go. Henkelman, Interpack, and GreenVAC, and Intermountain. The great people at Intermountain obviously will hook you up. I'm a phone call away.